So you're getting a little nervous because you saw that there were some complaints about scratching on the Ruvati workstation sink. So I'm just going to show you, we've been in this house. It's been used for a little over a year now, a year and like 4 months. And I've used the sink religiously, and then I have the other one that's over there. So it constantly gets used, especially this one that's in front of me. Always gets used. So I'm just going to quickly show you that there's no scratches. I did get the stainless steel one, and I'm sure if you have porcelain, it probably would too, but I don't, there's no scratches. And we use everything in this. And my pots and pans are these right here. So there, if anything scratches, these will definitely scratch sinks. But I do absolutely love this sink. And if you're like, what are you talking about? This is the Ruvati workstation. The link is also in my bio. It's under Connie's favorites. But this particular one comes with this rolly rack thing that you can use as a dry rack, or sometimes I put my hot pots and pans on this when I'm transferring over from the sink. And then this, it comes, like if you love to entertain, this comes with these Tret bowl things that a lot of times I just cut tomatoes, onions, or whatever, and then you open and close it and all the things. So good. It comes with a colander as well. This is the thing that I freaking love. Not only does it come with the grates that are on the bottom, which I absolutely like, because when you're putting dishes on it, you can actually still clean underneath it. So, and it also comes with the a cutting board, which you do need to condition, by the way. So this particular one has 2 levels. I don't know if you can see, there it is, the 2 different levels right here, which is cool because this turns into that, and then I can put this on top. And then it comes with 2 bowls. It comes with a mixing bowl, and it comes with a strainer, and it comes with these little grater things to where you can just take this lid off, choose whatever grate that you want, put it on, and then you can grate it into the bowl. So freaking absolutely love this thing. And the other thing is I love is that you can cut, slide your food in here, give it a rinse, or whatever you want to do, and it is absolutely fantastic. Totally need one. And for the price that you get with everything that comes with this sink is unbeatable, because by the time that you bought all this nice stuff separately, I mean, literally you can't beat it. I was like, oh my gosh. So the one over there is a smaller one. I think this is the 45 or 43 inch. That one's the normal 33 inch one. It doesn't have the 2 layers like this, but it still comes with the drying rack, a smaller cutting board, which I actually use in this one a lot. The smaller one comes with a smaller cutting board that still works. And I love it that I can just cover all of this up if I want to, like this, and still have, when we have people over, I can put, I use the whole entire counter space and put the plates and everything on here, and then I can hide all the dishes underneath it. It is fabulous. So this is the Ruvati workstation. There's several different sizes that you can get with different accessories depending on which ones, but the link is in my profile. It's under Connie's favorites, so check it out. And I hope you are going to love it too. So definitely, I highly suggest getting one. It's been over a year since I've used it. So